Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need an updated iPad and a queued video. Start now. First, open YouTube or Safari and load the video you want to float. Then swipe up to reveal the dock and drag the secondary app slightly to activate split view or slide over. This creates a multitask environment where floating works. Once the second app is visible, make sure the video is ready to play, because converting it to a floating window requires the app active and the video loaded. Once done, play the video and look for the picture-in-picture icon in the player controls. Tap it to convert the video into a floating window. If the app lacks a Pi-P icon, swipe to home and the system may automatically detach the video. In Safari, use the address bar Pi-P option or Control Center Play controls. Make sure to drag the floating window by its top edge to reposition, and pinch or drag corners to resize so it stays usable while you work in other apps. Finish by placing the floating window where it won't obscure content, and use the on-window controls to pause, close, or return to the app. If Pi-P fails, make sure Picture-in-Picture is enabled in Settings General Picture-in-Picture. Then retry with Safari, as it often supports Pi-P when apps restrict it. One key troubleshooting tip: if playback stops when switching apps, force quit YouTube and reopen, or use Safari to play the same video. This usually restores Pi-P functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.